Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who takes a lot of screenshots on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, let me show you a few different ways how you can do it. Make sure to watch till the end of this video because the rolling screenshot is something that will be very useful for you. So let's get started. The first and the most intuitive method, as with most phones, is to press the side button together with the volume down button. This will instantly capture a screenshot. Here you can share it with anybody, or you can use this crop tool to crop the image as you prefer, or you can use this writing tool to scribble anything on the screenshot before you share or save. So you can share it with somebody from here, or you can download it and view it in the Photos or Gallery app. The second method is the most easiest and the coolest. Just use your palm and swipe across the screen from left to right. This will capture a screenshot. The third method is to ask Gemini or Bixby to take a screenshot. This is kind of cool, but you may not want to use it in public. So let me show you how to take a screenshot using Bixby or Gemini. Bixby, take a screenshot. That's how you take a screenshot using Bixby. Let me show you how to take a screenshot using Gemini. To launch Gemini, you need to press and hold the side button, and once it is launched, you need to ask Gemini to take a screenshot. Take a screenshot. The screenshot captured is saved to the gallery. You can just tap the notification and open it using Photos or Gallery app. Here you can search it through Google Lens, or you can crop, or you can use markup tools to edit, or you can share or trash it. Fourth method is to use the quick panel to take a screenshot. Here you need to swipe down to bring the quick panel and tap on edit. In here tap edit again and tap on this screenshot button to add to the quick panel. Once added, tap done and again tap done. Now you can take a screenshot using the take screenshot button on the quick panel. Next one is the scrolling screenshot. This is useful when you want to take a screenshot of one full web page, or if you want to take a screenshot of your WhatsApp conversation or a long email thread. So like a web page or your WhatsApp chat screen, you can just open it, and first you need to take a screenshot to start. First, let me take a screenshot using the side button and the volume down button. Just press this together, and once the screenshot is taken, you need to press this down arrow button to continuously capture the screenshot. It will keep on capturing as it scrolls down. You need to keep pressing this button until you have captured all the information that you need to include in the screenshot. Once done, just tap on the screenshot and it will show you where to open the image, whether to open it on your Gallery or Photos app. So that's how you capture a rolling screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So all these screenshots will be saved in your Photos or Gallery app. So if you want to revisit them, just go to the apps and check them. And thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and if this video was useful for you, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I will catch you in the next video.